Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw unicorn. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Like and share this video. Let's draw her eyes. Nose, mouth. Now her body. She is so cute. Let's draw her hair. For hair, we will use rainbow colors. Let's draw some magical stars to decorate the background. Some lines on her feet. Let's make it neat and more prominent. Let's color together. We are using rainbow colors. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color, again red color. Let's color the stars, the magical stars. Red, pink color for the bubbles, orange for the star, some yellow bubbles, pink star, green bubbles, blue and red. Now let's color her hair. We are using rainbow colors again to make it more colorful. Purple color, green color, yellow color, orange color, again yellow color, blue color, orange color, let's color her mouth, her tongue, her cheeks, and lines on her feet. Subscribe for more drawing and painting videos for kids. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.